Once the BAS form is properly configured, you can configure the main lodgement form to generate your BAS return. Firstly, on the Supplies and Acquisitions tab, check that you have the correct date range and accounting method. Next, select the appropriate reporting option from the three on offer. We will describe the most common. Option 1, Actual GST Report Quarterly. Let's click on G1, Total Sales, Income and Other Supplies. Here we see tax items. From the default tax items provided in Reckon Accounts Hosted, you would select GST, FRE, INP, and EXP. For your individual circumstances, you'll also need to select any customised tax items you created that you charged and collected GST. You'll now see the total value of sales in this period. Just below G1, you can choose whether the G1 figure is displayed as inclusive of tax, gross, or exclusive of tax, net. All other boxes will be inclusive of GST. Now continue and configure each G box. They may be like G2 that require just one tax item, e.g. EXP for export sales. Or they may be a combination like G3 for other tax-free sales, G10 for capital acquisitions, and G11 for expenses. Remember, you must also include any customised tax items you created and used. Figures for reporting the sales and purchases values are now complete. To report the actual amount of tax, go to the Debits and Credits tab to record all tax liabilities. On 1A, enter the tax items used to collect GST, like GST. On 1B, enter the tax items used to record GST paid, like NCG and CAG. Other taxes, like wine taxes, are reported at 1C and 1D. Note that the buttons on luxury car taxes 1E and 1F and the fuel tax credit at 7C and 7D are not raised, indicating that the amounts must be manually entered. You can customize a report to help you to determine the correct value to enter here. Totals for your taxes will appear in boxes 8A and 8B. These boxes are greyed out because they total other boxes. Now look lower down and you will find that the payments or refund question is answered automatically and the amount to be paid or to be received posted in box 9. The GST component of this lodgement form is now complete. You can now complete the process with the options at the foot of the page to save this BAS, print it, and lodge it with the ATO. If you need further assistance, visit www.reckon.com/support.